Hi, it's Mark from TrainingSpark, and in this video we're going to show you another feature in the Uncanny Toolkit plugin. This time it's showing you how you can automatically mark lessons as complete when all topics are completed. Now I should add that in version 4.11 of LearnDash they made changes to the way lessons and lesson completion works. So since then this is actually redundant, so you don't necessarily need this. But if you are using version 4.10 or below, then this is how you would do it. So I'll show you briefly how this works. I'm on a course here, and it's got a couple of lessons here and some topics within it. And what you'll find is that if I mark this topic as complete, then mark this topic as complete, I'll end up back on a lesson page, and I'm then required to mark the lesson as complete. And this is arguably a unnecessary step, and clearly LearnDash felt similar because they've actually taken this out now. But at the moment I have to mark this as complete to then mark the lesson as complete and carry on the course. So what Uncanny Toolkit allows us to do is circumvent that and make it so that lessons are automatically completed. So we'll come back to the dashboard and go to Uncanny Toolkit and then modules. And then the module we're looking for here is this topics autocomplete lessons. And it says automatically marks lessons as completed when all topics and quizzes for that lesson are marked complete. And if we click learn more, it'll mention that this is actually a legacy edition now because of the changes LearnDash have made. But nonetheless, we'll enable it to show it on this platform. And what I'm going to do now that that is enabled is show you how that's worked. So if I go and log in as a different user here and access that same course, what we'll find is that if I expand this lesson again and mark topic 1 complete and topic 2 complete, then we can see that that marks that entire lesson as complete there, and it's automatically skipped us on to the next lesson. So it's done that step of marking the lesson complete and moving us on to the next one. So that's a kind of cleaner course flow in my personal opinion. So it's a useful feature that Uncanny Toolkit added. And in subsequent videos, we'll be looking at other features of the Uncanny Toolkit plugin. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like. And if you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to the TrainingSpark YouTube channel.